Why cannot the iPhone connect to Wi-Fi? If your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi, then here's a complete fix guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app. Then all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi in it. Then turn Wi-Fi off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on again. After that, restart your iPhone and router. Press and hold power button, slide to power off, and wait for 30 seconds and power it back on. Also for router, unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then pull back in. Once done so, go back to the settings again, and inside settings, now scroll and tap on the general option available there. Then tap on the software update and install any available updates which may fix Wi-Fi bugs. After that, go back to the settings general, and this time all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.